Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon our topic is the way of salvation. In the book of John 14 verse 6, Jesus said unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. This is the Visayan version in the topic of the way of salvation. In the book of John 14 verse 6, si Jesus miingon kaniya, Ako mao ang dalan, ug ang kamatuoran, ug ang kinabuhi. Walay bisan kinsa nga makaadto sa Amahan, kundili pinaagi kanako. Another book for the way of salvation in the book of Acts 16 verse 31. So they said, Believe on the Lord Jesus Christ, and you will be saved, you and your household. Another Visayan version, guys, for the way of salvation in the book of Acts 16:31. Ug sila miingon, tumuo ka sa Ginoong Hesukristo, ug mamaluwas ka, ikaw ug ang imong panimalay. Another book, guys, for the way of salvation is the book of Romans 10, chapter 10, verse 9. That if you confess with your mouth the Lord Jesus and believe in your heart that God has raised him from the dead, you will be saved. And this is the Visayan version from the way of salvation in the book of Romans chapter 10 verse 9. Kay kung igasugid mo sa imong baba si Jesus, ingon nga Ginoo, ug motuo ka sa imong kasing-kasing nga ang Dios nagbanhaw kaniya gikan sa mga minatay, mamaluwas ikaw. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.